Next up on my beloved list of KEDSUM moving products is this aluminum folding dolly or hand truck. What makes this so unique is just how lightweight it is compared to the 270-pound load capacity that it has. I mean, it's only 5 pounds, and that's going to be the first thing you notice when you take it out of the box. It's just how lightweight it is. It folds up almost shockingly thin and less than 5 inches wide, so it's perfect for travel or tucking in tight spaces if you have limited room somewhere. Really nice for fitting in cars or suitcases. I found a little trick is that if you have enough room in your luggage for it, you can stow it and then just pop it open and tow everyone's luggage and roll on through with it. So it's made from aluminum alloy and it's quite strong. It's quite durable, certainly more so than the comparable plastic ones. I also like the design of the cords and hooks and how they're easily stowed without getting in the way. It took a little bit of time to figure out how to actually operate them and use them in the manner that they're supposed to be, but once I read the instructions, it was pretty easy to figure out. So I really do like how these are connected and how they can be tucked away without getting in the way if you don't want to use them. I do wish the platform was a tad bit larger, but if that were the case, then it completely takes away from the size and portability of it, which again, in my opinion, is one of, if not the biggest draws of this one. It has some sturdy wheels in the back. They call them tank wheels, which I can't really refute because I'm not sure exactly what it means, but they're sturdy and much more robust than the comparable rubber wheels on some of the other products. It makes going over a variety of surfaces here like artificial grass and pavers and through small rocks pretty easy. Has an adjustable handle here, so getting your perfect size and comfort is really easy to do. As a full-time realtor, I have encountered tons of different moving products and I keep coming back to KEDSUM. The quality and the design really are high, and the carrying case isn't anything to write home about, but to be fair, it does the job, and the fact that they're even including one is a total bonus as well. So in any event, there's not much more that I really need to say about it. If you're in the market for something like this, or you know someone who could really use it, give it a shot. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. I certainly hope this was helpful, and as always, reach out anytime with questions or concerns.